Welcome to my in-depth review of the DXZ A3 Plus F1080 DTF printer, a game-changing device that's set to revolutionize the world of direct-to-film printing. As a technology reviewer, I'm excited to dive into the key features of this impressive machine and explore how it can take your DTF printing business to the next level. First, let's talk about the incredible value that comes with this printer. With your purchase, you'll receive a 2-year supply of ink, consisting of 5 bottles of 250 milliliters each and 500 g of powder. This is a massive benefit, as you'll get a new set of ink every 2 months, and you only need to cover the shipping costs. This means you can focus on growing your business without worrying about the expense of ink supplies. Now, let's take a closer look at the DXZ Business Boosting A3 DTF printing system. This integrated system includes an automated powder shaker and dryer, which guarantees consistent, vibrant prints with minimal setup. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this system is perfect for accelerating your DTF venture. With faster turnaround times and higher output, you can handle more orders, cut labor expenses, and boost profits. The intuitive controls and plug-and-play design make it easy to get started, even for first-time users. One of the standout features of the DXZ A3 Plus F1080 DTF printer is its high speed and high precision. The advanced XP600 printhead offers a print speed of 500 mm superscript 2s, which is twice as fast as the L1800 and L805. With a resolution of 2800 by 1400 DPI, you can expect vibrant colors, sharp details, and exceptional saturation. This means you can deliver professional quality results that will impress your clients and set you apart from the competition. Another key feature of this printer is the effective white ink circulation system. This system combines stirring and circulation to prevent white ink from settling, ensuring more consistent and smoother prints. This advanced design boosts ink efficiency, reduces clogging, and extends the printer's lifespan, providing reliable and high-quality results with every print. In terms of reliability, the DXZ A3 Plus F1080 DTF printer is built to last. With a heavy-duty Hansen motherboard and industrial-grade XP600 printhead, this printer supports extended 24-hour continuous operation. This makes it ideal for high-demand production environments, where you need to optimize productivity and meet large-scale order requirements seamlessly. So, how does the DXZ A3 Plus F1080 DTF printer compare to other models on the market? In terms of speed and precision, it outperforms the L1800 and L805, making it a top choice for businesses that need to produce high-quality prints quickly. The automated powder shaker and dryer also set it apart from other models, making it a more efficient and convenient option. In conclusion, the DXZ A3 Plus F1080 DTF printer is a powerful tool that can take your DTF printing business to the next level. With its high speed and precision, effective white ink circulation system, and reliable performance, it's the perfect choice for businesses that need to produce high-quality prints quickly and efficiently. And with the included 2-year ink supply, you can focus on growing your business without worrying about the expense of ink supplies. If you're looking to upgrade your DTF printing capabilities, I highly recommend considering the DXZ A3 Plus F1080 DTF printer. With its advanced features and reliable performance, it's an investment that will pay off in the long run. So why wait? Take your DTF printing business to the next level with the DXZ A3 Plus F1080 DTF printer. Order now and start producing high-quality prints that will impress your clients and drive your business forward.